welcome to another episode of Bucks TV. Now this episode is Come Down Likkle Bit Part 4. Well, enough girl say the man is a ride or die. When you know your man is a come and go. Come down little bit. You have some girl meet man yesterday. Fuck him today. Tomorrow them quick for fight the owner. And them they are fighting for more than over 10 years. Undocumented. And now fight for them papers. Come down little bit. You have some worthless bad mind girl with they on some next girl page. We do 10 times better than them. Only if you report them pics and them video. And them same one have some man where I beat out them cloth and I ill treat them. And them now report them. Come down little bit. Some of the woman them on Facebook and IG. And all who now post and portray is sex. And then now when man run up and only want fuck, wanna come with, I need more than that. I need a relationship. Pause, bitch. Come down little bit. Quote of the day. Many people love the idea of you, but lack the maturity to handle the reality of you. Box. Don't move your face. And remember, support by buying a box t-shirt. I appreciate it. But then when some people still act like them above you, tell them come down little bit. Gone.